From Divines to Star of the Light, Chalea, Channel and Mystic. Happening now. 5D vortexes are opening all over the earth. The Pleiadian Council of Light. Greetings, beloved ones. We are the Pleiadian Council of Light. We enjoy connecting with you. Thank you for this transmission. Through our continued observations, we are currently witnessing an incredible and transformative phenomenon that is unfolding all over the earth during these extraordinary times. Fifth dimensional vortexes are opening up along many ley lines and Merkaba points that crisscross your planet, creating a web of interconnected energy. These vortexes, being activated, will gradually expand their reach toward the very core of the earth, anchoring her into the higher frequencies associated with the fifth dimension. As this profound process takes place, your Earth will experience a significant awakening, gaining the ability to control her own weather patterns and any other planetary activities that have long been influenced by external forces. Once these vertices are fully activated, no longer will the Earth's weather or other natural phenomena be subject to manipulation by the cabal or any other controlling entities on your planet. Instead, Earth will develop the capability to counteract any attempts at manipulation, restoring her natural balance and harmony. This transformative process is actively occurring now and will continue to unfold until the Earth has achieved total control over her own body and its functions, marking a pivotal shift in her evolutionary journey. This process will also serve as a catalyst for the human race, significantly enhancing your own spiritual advancements and growth. As these powerful energy vortices open up, they create opportunities for individuals to align with and anchor these energies to their own personal energy fields. This alignment will facilitate a deeper balance within you, allowing you to attune to a fifth dimensional consciousness that promotes higher awareness and understanding. It is essential to recognize that this alignment requires only your intention and a genuine willingness to expand your consciousness beyond its current limitations. As these powerful energetic portals expand into the very core of the earth, you too will experience an expansion in consciousness, bringing you into greater alignment with the entirety of the ascension process that humanity and the earth is undergoing. This will help to accelerate your personal conscious expansion into higher states of awareness. This alignment will not only enhance your consciousness, but will also enhance your intuitive nature. This will deepen your connection with the earth, all her nature, and even the many elementals that inhabit the earth alongside of you. As a result, you will find that your divine nature begins to emerge more fully, allowing you to express your true essence in ways that may have previously felt out of reach. The elemental kingdom, and all its vibrant diversity, is rejoicing at this momentous occasion. They are actively participating in the process of anchoring these vortexes into the heart of your dear Mother Earth, facilitating a harmonious flow of energy that supports both the planet and humanity in this significant transition. They are in great joy and enthusiasm as they understand the importance of this alignment for both the planet and all her inhabitants. The earth and all who reside within her realms are moving toward a new era of consciousness, where the energies of love, unity, and balance prevail. We love you and are here with you. We are the Pleiadian Council of Light, Pleiadians of Alcyone, from UniversalLighthouse.com.